Let me explain something interesting. Imagine you have a cloud operations team and most of their day is spent on repetitive tasks, building servers, resizing them, adding disks, removing disks, handling decommission requests, patching systems, responding to emails, following change processes again and again. Now, what if all of that could be handled by an intelligent agent? That's where a cloud operations agent comes in. Think of it as an AI-powered cloud engineer, not just a script or automation, but something that can actually understand requests, ask questions if needed, and then take action. For example, a user sends an email saying, "Hey, can you build a server for app 1?" Instead of a human picking it up, the agent reads the request, understands the intent, checks internal data about app 1, and if something is missing, like VM size or OS, it asks back for clarification. Once it has everything, it follows the proper process, applies standards, naming conventions, policies, and then goes ahead and builds the server in the cloud. Same thing with decommissioning. It doesn't just delete resources blindly, it can trigger approvals, validate dependencies, and then safely remove the infrastructure. It can also handle day-to-day operations like resizing virtual machines, adding or removing disks, performing patching, and even checking if systems are healthy. And the biggest advantage, it can do all of this 24/7, no waiting, no delays, no conflicts between team members. It can handle multiple requests at the same time without missing anything. It can also manage communication, sending updates, asking for approvals, notifying users when tasks are completed, just like a real operations engineer would. Now, how do we actually build something like this? Behind the scenes, it uses AI models to understand requests, a knowledge layer to access company-specific data, and automation tools to actually perform actions in the cloud. So it's not just intelligence, it's intelligence combined with execution. In fact, when implemented properly, this kind of agent can significantly reduce the operational workload of a cloud team, allowing engineers to focus more on architecture, design, and innovation rather than repetitive tasks. If this sounds interesting, we've actually built a working cloud operations agent that follows real enterprise processes for build and decommission. If you'd like to see how it works, what tools we used, and how you can implement something similar, feel free to reach out for a quick demo. Let AI handle your operations so you can focus on what really matters.